Hi everyone, my name is Bharti Rathod. What is an e-commerce platform? E-commerce is purchasing and selling activities happening over the internet. The different types of commerce includes business to business, business to consumer, consumer to consumer. An e-commerce platform is software application where both parties are the consumer, the seller and the consumer are come and play their roles. Thank you.
How do economic platform needs difference between large and small companies? Large companies generally have a brand perceptions that they want to maintain. They want to have a platform tolerate to their needs, and they want they want to have a bigger impact in terms of their revenue. For example, GMV is on is one KPI.
Hello friends, my project topic is various e-commerce platform. How does a company set up an e-commerce business? If an e-commerce platform interested in a particular platform, they will go through the selection process. Once they choose a platform, they will work with the provider to implement it. At the time of implementation, the provider will try to understand the online business and make sure the various scenarios are captured.
What feature does an e-commerce platform need? One of the feature that e-commerce software needs is the ability to research the shop so customer can find our products. Any e-commerce site should also have a shopping trolley where their purchaser or interested party can store and view their intended purchases before moving into the checkpoint process. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my topic name is various e-commerce platform. How does a company choose e-commerce platform? Choosing a e-commerce platform need to include pretty exhaustive search system. कोई भी कंपनी ये देखती है कि वो एक सर्टन प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ क्या कर सकते हैं और वो एक सर्टन प्लेटफॉर्म कंपनी की रिक्वायरमेंट्स और नीड्स को कैसे फुलफिल कर पाएगा. Gross merchandise volume is most important criterion companies needs to consider. Thank you.
What are the different types of e-commerce? The three main types of e-commerce. Platform as a SaaS. Software has a service. Platform part. Platform has a service. Platform or the permission platform SaaS. And the past platform at both of deliver the e-commerce situations of the through the internet SaaS and platform like Shopee invoice software only.
Everyone, my name is Sahil Vinayak Surve. I am studying from SY BCom. My roll number is 379. What mistakes do company make with e-commerce platform? Some common mistakes company make including choosing the wrong platform, not focusing on search engine optimization or having a poor SEO strategy. Having a poor catalog. Sometimes company won't do their research and will choose the cheapest and latest product rather than a platform that will actually meet their needs.
Have e-commerce platforms changed over time? E-commerce platforms grew out of the mail order or telephone order purchasing options that were popular in the 1970 and 1980. The mail order telephone order business cycle was incorporated into the online mode.